Hello there. I am Rishi here, and today I bring you guys something special. Unlike my usual videos on how to draw characters, animals, and specific doodles, today I will be giving out some valuable tips and tricks that you only find on Instagram but not on YouTube. So if you can do me a huge favor by liking this video and dropping a sub. Now without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Tip number 1. Look for some inspiration and other artists to get an idea on what theme you want to draw. As you know, Instagram has 10 times the artists YouTube has. You can look for some reference images and then start sketching out your idea onto the paper. This doodle is a recreation inspired by BBT Doodles. I will leave her Instagram account down in the description. Also, this recreation is of fair use because I have asked for the permission of the owner and they have given me the allowance to redraw it. Now let's get to tip number 2. So tip number 2 is that you have to sketch out the doodle very lightly so that you can erase out the waste parts and not needed parts easily without leaving any other marks on the paper. Now tip number 3, this tip is very important and many other artists don't know about this. If you see Gox Arts videos and Shrimpy YT's videos, you must have noticed that they always draw out thick lines, but it is not always necessary. For a doodle like this, you need to have a little thin and dark inking and not super thick so that the doodle looks clean and the black ink is not all over the place. Tip number 4 is that you can copy someone's art, but you should not trace anybody's art because that will ruin your creativity. But if you copy someone's art, that's totally fine. Just credit the artist in the description of the video or before the video. Tip number 5 is, if you ever feel that your art is not good enough or you are getting negative feedback, then don't mind it. Continue your grind of drawing and let the haters hate, because if they don't hate on others they will be jobless. So yeah, chill out, relax and draw. The only person you need to prove your art is yourself, and make an art that is better than your old one. Yup, that's all. My mission ends here. If you enjoyed and understood the tips and tricks, then do me a huge favor by dropping a like and sharing this video with your artist friends. Now let's continue the drawing without voiceovers.